Good morning, namaste, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to a Thursday vlog. Today is just rushing up with a lot of things. I don't know about the dog, got in the morning, could not see that dog where it is. Unavailable to see wherever it was. So the dog yesterday was on this side over here, beneath the pipeline, and then dragged himself and went somewhere that side. So the night I had been over there to see but could not find. I'll see now where it is. I got myself into dirt, my hands were dirty. Just washed and I came. I went to see. Not there. Maybe the dog on the other side.
I got a clean one.
Yeah.
We are going to school.
It's 4 o'clock in the evening. We all dressed up, had lunch and everything. All dressed up, going to Mayem. I guess yesterday we had plan of going but could not. But today we said, chuck it, we'll just go. We'll see what's the plan later on. Coming back to Panjim as quickly as possible, or maybe late. Or maybe meeting Chitra auntie, Devika Krupa, or meeting Papa, or else nothing and just we all three going out for food, something that way. Let's see, it's unplanned, so let's go with the flow. We already said and we are going. Nira is sleeping. सुखती है सब we have reached the temple. So this is Mayem temple. It's our किधर ना चल दूध दे होता देव चल come yo चल बाबू We have reached Mayem Lake. It's just from the temple, it is hardly 2 kilometers. We have come to a spot where usually we have limbu pani and all. We're going to have that and maybe go boating depending on Hira and Aarti, let us see.
दोन करताली ते
Hi.
एकाचे हाफ दोन क्लासीन घालपाक
Taka एकाचे बाबा एक ग्लास असा पळय ताका हाफ कर म्हणजे एक फूल कर आणि हय हाफ कर How you like the shawarma, Ira? So we just stopped at the Mapsa Panjim highway just for a change, just to see the crowd. Sometimes crowd also, you get the different vibe at different place that you have been to. Now let's see where we're going next spot. So we have come to next spot, Arti's favorite place, momos, to the Chogam road down. We are Sangol, right?
I don't like momos.
Somebody saying I don't like momos because we shouted at her.
And her tummy is full.
And her tummy is full.
That's so fun.
Just reached home. It's 7 o'clock.
Mama, Narayan got for me in the shop.
What is it?
That
Hand sanitizer.
hand sanitizer.
7. We already full. Our tummy is full.
Nara got for me in this.
Yes. Let us see. Might watch something on television. घमासान युद्ध में एक जन दूसरे जन को मस्का दे रहा है. और दूसरी पार्टी बात नहीं कर रही है. So the person in the white just by mistakenly, not in like funny way, just hit the yellow lady on her head, and now she says she won't talk to her, and there's a massacre going on.
ये चुप कर बेटा.
It's just 9 o'clock, 9:30. We're watching an old movie called Darlings. Aarti and mom is going outside to get something. We're gonna eat food now. Just me and Ira over here enjoying. So you're watching TV, that's what she said. So we're gonna go eat food right now. Okay, we're gonna go on top and go to sleep. We're gonna fall asleep later. Okay, and good night and ciao ciao guys.